That's what the oil pressure sensor looks like when the boot is off and the harness is off. And I've got a couple of handy dandy items I'm going to use for this. It is actually a 24 millimeter socket, so I've got a deep socket, 24 millimeter, and it's a 1/2 inch. So I'm going to use a 3/8 inch ratchet just because that's what I got handy. So I need an adapter, and I'm going to use a 9 inch extension just to make it a little bit easier. I'm also going to use a magnet. I'm going to be very careful because I don't want it to drop down into the engine compartment. Getting under those tins is kind of a pain.